how to set up WeChat wallet. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can set up WeChat wallet. So let's go. The first step is to open up your WeChat application on your device, just like I have done here. And then once you're done, you must note that setting up WeChat wallet is essential for seamless transactions and payments within the WeChat ecosystem. And you can open a WeChat wallet when you have a Chinese ID card, a Chinese bank account, or an international bank card. This is because WeChat requires real name verification to open a wallet for sending and receiving money. So once you have all of this, the next step after launching your application is to move to the top right corner on the chat page where you can see the plus icon. Then tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you can see the options, new chat, add contact, scan money. Then click on money in order to enable it. And then after enabling it, you'll be taken to another page entirely. So on this page, you'll see options like you'll see the options like add a card. All right. So once you can see this, just go ahead and click on add a card, and then you wait for the page to load. So once it has loaded, you can see the option add bank card on the screen. And then the next thing for you to do is to enter in the card number in the status box. Then select the kind of bank card that it is. So after entering in the card owner information and all of that, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to enter in your ID number, your mobile number, and all. Then you click on next. Then after clicking on next, you'll be taken to your profile. This is because if you want to receive payments, you have to go to your profile and tap on your user ID. Then after that, select QR code and share it with others. And just like that, your wallet has been set up. So to make payments, all you need to do is to tap on scan and then scan the QR code of the recipient, and you'll be able to make payments to that person. Now I cannot show you vividly here because I do not have a Chinese ID or a Chinese bank card. But if you do, just enter in the card number here, select the kind of bank card that it is, and then you'll be directed on what to do from there. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day.